this a classic?
It looks like classic. 1,000, 11, 2,000, 21.
Okay, it's auction day. I'm here to bid and buy something. That's a nice Infinity. It's probably that 3.0. I don't touch those. Engines are too expensive. They're not reliable. Usually anything with a turbo is not really reliable, honestly. I like the naturally aspirated, bigger engines. But that is clean. Once the thing is open, I doubt it. Two vehicles I'm going for are up here. I don't touch these Civics because the transmissions are expensive. I don't ever want to put somebody in a vehicle that's going to kick their butt if things would break on them. But anyway, here's the one I'm going for. This is the one that's got the battery exploded, reconditioned title. See, nothing works though. When you hook it up, nothing works. So let me see what the hell was fried here. And then the other one is this Honda over here. Let me show it to you guys. I don't touch Nissans because I got the CVT. But I'm interested in this one. This little red Honda Accord. Yeah. Let me see what this does or bring. Alright, check this one out. This is a Thunderbird. This is a nice old school Thunderbird. What is this? 1964 Thunderbird with 53,000 miles. Wow. It's cool. Let me see. Dude, it's not bad. I don't buy old schools though. I don't buy old schools, but this one is actually cool. Let's see what it goes for. Oh shit. Yeah, let's see what it goes for. Not bad. Like, this is about the only interior piece that's torn, which is this center console. That's about it. Alright, let's see what it brings. See what else we got.
And Pete, right there it is where I can see Thibodeau going down the road in it. Henry Thibodeau could ride in, you went up the Lord. Y'all tell me, guys, I didn't want to sell classics.
Is this a classic?
It looks like classic. 1,000, 11, 2,000, 21, 22, 23, 24.
It just needs some company.
24, yeah, hear me. Now 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's bid. Don't worry about who's bid. 34. I bet the board half on, the bid the board half high. That's 6. I thought it meant to be a time. Somebody could be a time. Somebody say, somebody, somebody. Can the pay tap, can the big tap, can the 5 somebody. I said, tap, can the big tap, can the 5 somebody. Call 37 113 113. I hope he gets it. It's been here for about a year. I'm tired of looking at it.
Hey man, you give me a ride on it when you get it, bro? Please give me a ride on it, man.
6. On the 300, 400, 54, before the pad, tap, the big tap, up on the top of the vehicle, the tap, on the call. 400, 102, 400, 102. On the
$400 for 2008.
$17, 2,000 bucks. At the board, tap, on the dig, and the big, come on, this, at the board, tap, on the big, tap, somebody, tap, at the car 3, at the board, tap, on the tap, on the tag, and the pay, tap, on tap, 5, at the back, and the tap, on the 5 call. 3,400, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Thank you, sir. Previously known as a boatman. 1, 2, 2. He don't want to boat no more. He does cars now.
That's it. Man, salvage title or not, this is cheap. Another 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Man, whoever gets this and puts an engine in it, or whatever's wrong with it, salvage was still worth money. But it's gotta have the right buyer for it. It's too much for my blood. I did end up winning this one again. But did I win 3,400 this time? Yeah, I won 3,400. Last time I bid 3,700. First time I bid 2,000. These are on me. I've been trying to get this one, but yeah, I want it again, and let's see if they'll award it to me. Probably not. Let's see what else is available. I got one more. There's a Honda CRV over there I need to go look at. They ended up selling this little car Is that $500?
Yep.
What the fuck?
They're crazy.
Wow. Somebody bid $500 on this old school Toyota Tercel. Hey, every car has a buyer. Every buyer has his car. Yeah, no.
Call 5,000. We'll call 102.
$5,000 and $198.
Or they can scrap it.
Wow.
Yeah, watch out, guys. Say
it then.
A third time, the third time, 4 times, 1600.
I'm out.
2600 bar, 115.
The on the CRV, but it's too much for my blood. 163,000 miles. It's a cool little vehicle, but nah. All right, well, let's go. I got 2 today. Let's see what the hell they award me. Let's go, Tom. Let's go.